Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Solal. Today we will be learning about multiple inheritance in Java. So to know about what is inheritance, what are the types of inheritance, you can refer to my previous video. I will be linking down in the description box and also will be putting it here in the I button. So let's see why multiple inheritance is not supported using classes. Okay, so we'll do this with the help of a live example. So here we are in our IDE. So I have a class called C, okay, and before that, let me have a class called A, okay, and it will have void show as a method which will sys out hi. Then we have a class called B, which will again have the similar kind of method show and let us say hello, okay. So now let me have this class C as inheriting class A and B, okay. That's what multiple inheritance is, right? We inherit from two classes, okay. Suppose I do this. Now I create a object of class C, object, and I say object dot show. So now it will give us a compile time error. Why? Because this object will not know which show to call, either this show or this show. Okay. So to reduce this level of complexity, Java does not support multiple inheritance using classes. Now, how do we achieve multiple inheritance? So, multiple inheritance in Java can be achieved using interfaces. So, class implements multiple interfaces or interface extends multiple interfaces. So, we'll see a live demo on this so that you can understand it better. So, let's go to our IDE. Now, we'll see how can we implement multiple inheritance using interfaces. So, now I'll have a class called animal. Okay. Before that, I'll have an interface. So, I'll create an interface animal eat, and I will create one more interface animal walk. Okay. So, this interface will have one method called as void eat. Okay. Now, as we know, interface will not be implementing it, it will only be declaring the methods. Okay. And we have animal walk, which will also have a method called void walk. And now we will have animal class, which will be implementing, because when you want to inherit interface, you use the keyword as implements. Why? Because you don't have definition, you are implementing the definition. So we have the interfaces as animal eat and animal walk. Clear? So now this will give me an error. Why? Because they say that you need to implement the unimplemented methods. Okay. So I do this, and now I can have here as sysout animal is walking. Similar kind of sysout I will do it over here. Animal is eating. Okay. Now I'll create a main method and I'll create an object of animal class. Creating object of animal class, then I say animal dot eat. Okay. Then I say animal dot walk. Okay, now let's run this and see. So animal is eating, animal is walking. Now you can also have interface extending two interfaces. Okay, let us make this as interface animal. Okay, and now I can say this will extend, it will not implement interface animal, which will extend another interfaces, which is animal eat and animal walk. Okay, and here you can have as void display method. I'll keep. This is how you can have multiple inheritance in the form of classes with interfaces and interface with another interfaces, and any class who is implementing this interface will have. So any class who implements interface animal, okay, I'll just create a class demo, okay, and I say implements interface animal. Okay, now it will say me please implement the unimplemented methods. So now you saw I have all the three methods. So now I have to implement the unimplemented methods of eat interface, walk interface, and the interface animal. Okay, so we'll just write the sysout statements. Eating, walking, and here I'll just write as this is interface animal implementation. Okay, so now I'll have a main method here, and I'll create an object demo d equal to new demo, and let's say d dot display, d dot eat, d dot walk. Sorry. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so how can you achieve multiple inheritance in Java? Through two ways. One we saw is a class implementing two interfaces, and other an interface extending two interfaces. Now we have seen these implementations. Hopefully this was understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Till then, stay happy, and let's codify with Sonal in the next tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.